Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw the flag of Estonia. So for Estonia, you can see that the flag is of rectangle color. So you also have put this color here, and it has three parts. So for the top part, one color, middle part, another color, the bottom part, this is another color. So let's put the dark blue color on top here. Okay. All right. So we're going to fill up the corners with another pencil. Okay, this is the dark blue or the navy blue color. The flag of Estonia is getting ready. And we are going to put the black color here for the middle portion. You can see the dark shades of black. All right, we're going to fill up the corners. So we need the pure black here. This is the pure black. All right. This is just a few details we need in the end. Okay. So the flag of Estonia, this is almost complete. You can see here there are three colors for this flag, and dark blue, black, and the white color that defines the flag of Estonia. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. You can also browse through our playlist, and we have lots of drawings in different categories. Flag drawing is one of those options. Thank you so much. Have a good day.